Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word navigation. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The GPS system on my phone provides accurate navigation instructions to help me find my way around the city. Navigation is the process of determining and controlling the course or direction to reach a destination, often using tools like maps, GPS, or compasses. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.